surprise, yeah. Paradise, paradise.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. For any of you who are new, my name is Becca Dang. On here I love to talk about things like makeup, fashion, luxury, my lifestyle. So if you are interested in any of those topics, then please consider subscribing and clicking the bell notification so that you don't miss out on any of my future uploads. Alright guys, so today we are filming a lot. I just filmed an Ana Luisa review, but I want to go ahead and just go straight into the next video because I do have a mini unboxing for you, and it is from Louis Vuitton. Hey guys, so first let's go ahead and unbox this item for you. I wasn't planning on getting this item now, but it has been on my wish list for a while, but I was planning on getting it later. However, I did get it now because of something that happened. But before we get into that, let's go ahead and just unopen it for you. Okay, so there goes the ribbon. Oh, here is the little box. Oh gosh. So it is a small leather good. Let's go ahead and look at it. So this is the 6-key key holder or key clave. This was on my wish list for a very long time. I didn't get to it because I was actually wanting to get the Louis Vuitton City Bags book that talks about the evolution of all of the handbags that they have ever made. And I actually did buy that book about 2 weeks ago, and when it came in the mail, it was in French. Like, I had unboxed it on camera, but once I opened up the box and I saw that it was in French, I thought, oh no, I can't do this, I have to return it. So okay, so this is an unboxing gone wrong because it is not in English. So it was definitely an unboxing gone wrong. This past weekend, I ended up going back to Louis Vuitton. I returned the item, and then I started looking around. They did have the 6 ring key clave on there. So I'm very excited. I'm really glad that I was able to purchase this. So what happened was I returned the book because, of course, you know, it was wrong. I can't read French. Yeah, so I returned that, and then with that I ended up getting this. What I really love about this is that it is the canvas material, which I need it to be because I am going to be throwing this around in my purse. I love that it does have this slot right here, so you can actually put little cards, and of course that is like the sticker thing. You can actually put cards in here, but of course it is not closed. But I feel like that would be okay, because if you have this closed like this, I don't see how a card's gonna fall out. So I'm okay with that. And then I love how it has this. So I don't carry a lot of keys. These are just my keys. I literally only have 4 keys on here. I don't like to put like any of those tags, like membership tags and other stuff on there. I'm just like, no, I'm not gonna be doing all of that. I just like to keep it simple and minimal. I have always considered storing my keys in a key holder like this because now I have 7 luxury handbags, and I don't want them to get scratched with the keys. One day, guys, I will do a handbag collection video for you. If you would like to see that, then definitely leave a comment below and let me know, and I'll get it in the books for you. Just let me know. I'll get it in the books. Oh gosh, I make myself laugh so hard. I don't know what it is. Only I can make me laugh really hard. I really love this item. I think on the inside right here, I don't know if this is considered leather or like canvas with glazing as well. I know that the outside is the canvas with the coating, and on the inside, I don't know if this is just their pure leather. I will have to look into that. I don't think it is. I think it's also canvas with the coating. That is all that I have for you, you guys. Let me show you how these keys will fit on here. Let's show you how. So if you want to get keys on here, you guys, then all you do is, wait, you actually can slide this on and off. If you need to put keys in there, you just get this and you slide it back in. Simple as that. You can close it, and there you have your keys inside. Let me show you how it would be with my large car keys. I'm gonna slide this one on. I'm gonna slide this one on. I'm gonna slide this one. Wow, what the? Back inside, like this. Okay, you can't do this standing up. You gotta sit down. Okay, so this little thing slides in and out. So I did put all my keys on there. I left the large ring because I kind of didn't want to like shove the little ring thing in here. So that is that. And then you can just, of course, close it like this. I very much like this, and it's definitely for my purse so that I don't scratch all of my leather goods. It's very useful too to carry your cards in the back, so don't forget about that. But also, if you want it, you just want it, and so go buy it. Yeah, if you like this video, then give it a thumbs up. I would definitely love to have you follow me on Instagram as well. On Instagram, my name is Becca Ding. I will leave that below for you. If you are interested in any of the items that I'm wearing today, then I will have that linked in the description area below for you. I will also have this link to Louis Vuitton or to any other places that may have this as well. And so that's all that I have for you, you guys. Thank you so much for joining me today. I greatly appreciate it, and I hope you all have an awesome day. Thank you.